12 months ago, I was spending over 40,000 rupees every single month just to keep my business run. Copywriter, a video editor, a research assistant, a thumbnail designer, tools, subscriptions, freelancers, 40,000 rupees gone before I made a single. Today, I run the exact same business, same quality, same output, but my monthly cost is under 4,000 rupees. I am not a tech genius. I don't have a computer science degree. I didn't know what prompt engineering meant a year ago. I was just someone running a small content business, watching my costs kill my margins month after month. Before AI, I used to spend 3 to 4 hours researching a single topic. Now, here's how I do it. I open ChatGPT, I type one simple prompt. You are a YouTube scriptwriter. Write me a 1,200-word script on this topic. And in under 2 minutes, I have a full draft ready. What used to take me 4 hours now takes 30 minutes. If you run a faceless channel, ElevenLabs is your most important tool. You choose the voice, the tone, the speed, and it sounds like a real person. The entire voiceover is ready in about 90 seconds. ElevenLabs costs me $1,500 a month and covers unlimited videos. The math is very simple. Here's a problem every faceless YouTube creator faces. You need B-roll footage. Good stock footage looks generic or has been used in 100 other videos already. Runway ML lets you type a description and it generates a video clip from that description. In about 60 seconds, you have original custom footage that no one else has ever used. Your thumbnail is more important than your video. People decide whether to click in under half a second. Before AI, I was spending $800 to $1,500 per thumbnail hiring a designer. Now, I use Canva AI to generate the base visual, describe the scene, and it generates the image. I create 3 versions, test them, and keep the one that performs best. Creating separate shorts for every long-form video could take 2 to 3 extra hours per video. Opus Clip watches your video, finds the most engaging moments, and exports them as ready-to-upload shorts. One video becomes 5 shorts in about 10 minutes. No extra recording, no extra editing. 5 tools, 1 system: ChatGPT, ElevenLabs, Runway, Canva, Opus Clip. Total monthly cost, under 4,000 rupees. Total hours saved per video, 8 to 10 hours. I have put together a free PDF, the Unlisted Wealth Starter Kit. The link is in the description. If this video gave you one useful idea, hit subscribe. I will see you in the next one.